tolerate hate as a normal part of a political discourse. The amount of hate speech that's allowed to flourish online is at a crisis level. A report released just yesterday studied my own Twitter mentions. They found that almost 60% of the accounts who mentioned me used explicit hate speech, whether it was in regards to Islamophobia or anti-immigrant rhetoric. Most of those tweets were from automated accounts. In other words, the hate that's being fueled is coming from a small group of people that are acting as agitators. We get these sort of attacks that are designed to intimidate us. It was inundated with these attacks after the Christchurch massacre took place. My sister Rashida Tlaib, Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez, and myself got this following thread, and I'm going to read it to you. It said, "Attention, Congresswoman Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez and ragheads Rashida Tlaib and Ilhan Omar. I was totally excited and pleased when I heard about 49 Muslims were killed and many more were wounded in New Zealand. This is a great start. Let's hope and pray that it continues here in the good old USA. The only good Muslim is a dead one." So this letter, as Keith knows, is not a unique one. It's a regular feature of being a Muslim member of Congress, and especially worse when you are a visibly Muslim woman in Congress. As many of you know, I'm going to be fine. As I say always, I survived before. I can survive this. And it is true, right? As members of Congress, we have lots of protection, resources that we can deploy to protect ourselves. What I worry about is the millions of Muslims, refugees, and Black women around the country who do not have that